This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Melissa Area PA. Gorgeous and spacious updated rare floor plan in the Greenbrier section of 55 plus Century Village. Very large first floor corner 1 bedroom, 2 full bath, 1,000 plus square feet of living space, condo. Beautifully updated throughout. Gleaming hardwood flooring throughout. Updated kitchen and baths. Impact windows, impact enclosed lanai, updated slider, non-impact, to lanai with accordion shutter. Oversized bedroom suite with updated full ensuite bath, 2 closets, including 1 huge walk-in closet. New air conditioner in 2021. Greenbrier A is a luxury building in Century Village with extra storage cage for each unit, trash chutes, and a private resident pool. Century Village is a 55 plus community with so much to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Melissa Area PA at 561-207-1523.